Learned something from YouTube. Really happy about this. So yesterday I learned if you put a piece of either wax paper, they said cellophane plastic wrap, but I'm using wax paper in your blender, in my case my Ninja, and you just put it on the top there. Ha! How about that? You won't have to worry about all of the juice getting inside those hard to reach places. See how gooky that is? And I've washed that several times. So put a piece of wax paper or plastic wrap inside that cover before you blend, and put it on there like so, and then put your top back on and blend like so. Thank you, YouTube. Plastic wrap, wax wrap in between your cover and your blender to save from major cleaning. And that came from Pam Contrell from Rose Red Homestead, who actually got that from one of her viewers who left that in the comments box below. So see how important your comments are on our videos? Thanks so much for that awesome tip. I love it.